Tired of waiting weeks for your Temu haul to arrive? Let's dive into some insider secrets to potentially speed up your Temu deliveries. First, pay close attention to the shipping options at checkout. Sometimes Temu offers different tiers, and opting for a slightly more expensive one might prioritize your package. Check estimated delivery times carefully for each option. Communication is key. If your order seems delayed beyond the estimated time frame, reach out to Temu's customer support. A polite inquiry can sometimes nudge the process along or at least provide clarity on the delay. Keep an eye on your tracking information. Temu provides tracking numbers, so use them. Knowing where your package is in the system can help you anticipate its arrival and spot any potential issues early. Also, double-check your shipping address. A small typo can cause significant delays. Ensure everything is accurate before finalizing your order and review it again in your order confirmation email. While these tricks aren't guaranteed to work every time, they can certainly improve your chances of getting your Temu goodies a little faster. Good luck and happy shopping! Don't forget to like and subscribe below.